Hello, everyone. Welcome to your first day of learning English. My name is Ms. Elline from Easy Walk to English, and I'll be your guide on this exciting journey. Today we'll start with some basic greetings and farewells.
Morning greetings. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks.
In the morning we say good morning. It's a polite and friendly way to start the day.
Afternoon greetings. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How's your day going?
It's going well, thank you. How about yours?
Pretty good, thanks.
In the afternoon we use good afternoon. It's a common way to greet someone after lunch.
Evening greetings. Good evening.
Good evening. How was your day?
It was busy but productive. And yours?
It was quite nice, thank you.
In the evening we say good evening. This greeting is perfect for after work or school.
Casual greetings. Hey.
Hi. What's up?
Not much, just hanging out. How about you?
Same here, just relaxing. For informal settings you can use greetings like hey, hi, or what's up. These are great for friends and casual conversations. Now, let's look into how to bid farewell at different times of the day.
Farewells. Morning. I have to go now. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Afternoon. I'm heading out. See you later.
See you later. Take care.
Evening. It's getting late. Good night.
Good night. Sleep well. Let's review what we've learned today. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hey. Hi. Goodbye. See you later. Good night. All right. Let's dive into our practice section. It's time to put what we've learned into action. Get ready to speak up and have some fun. I'll say a greeting and I want you to repeat after me with confidence. Let's make each word count. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Fantastic. Now let's spice it up by adding a little more to each greeting. Repeat after me. Hello. How are you? Hi there. Nice to meet you. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good afternoon. How's your day going? Good evening. Ready for tomorrow? Let us now move on to farewells. Goodbye. See you later. Bye for now. Take care. Have a great day. Awesome. Let's try these farewells in full sentences. Repeat after me. It was nice meeting you. Goodbye. Got to run. See you later. Bye for now. Talk soon. Take care. Stay safe. I'm heading out. Have a great day. Before we wrap up, I have some exciting news for you. To help you practice and reinforce what you've learned, we've created a free cheat sheet and worksheet just for you. You can find the link to download these resources in the description box of this video. Don't miss out on these valuable tools to boost your learning. Watch this video multiple times and repeat the conversations until you feel confident using the new expressions. Practice these greetings and farewells with your friends and family. Keep learning and improving your English every day. Before you go, if you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to Easy Walk to English. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Also, we would love to hear your valuable suggestions. So please leave your comments in the comment box below. Your support and feedback help us create more great content for you. If you would like to improve your English grammar skills, make sure to watch this new video from our sister channel, Easy Walk to English Grammar. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Walk to English Grammar as well for more great content. Thank you for watching. See you the next day.